Hello everyone, welcome to your virtual instructor. So today we are going to talk about VPC flow logs. What is VPC flow logs? It is a feature that enables you to capture information about the IP traffic going to and from network interfaces in your VPC. What you can do with the VPC flow logs? You can diagnose security groups which are over restrictive and blocking the traffic, and you can identify the issues. You can also monitor the traffic that is reaching your instance or your ENI. You can determine the direction of the traffic to and from your ENI or network interfaces. Where you can capture the VPC flow logs? You can capture the VPC flow logs in the Amazon S3 bucket or in the CloudWatch log, Kinesis Data Firehouse. What is the cost of VPC flow logs? So this is the cost of the VPC flow logs. So basically for first 10 TB it will charge $0.5, and for the next 20 TB $0.25, and so on. And what will be the architecture of our lab today? So we will be having one VPC environment. We will be storing the VPC flow logs in the Amazon S3 bucket, and then we'll use Amazon Athena to analyze the VPC flow logs. So Amazon Athena is an interactive query service that makes it simple to analyze data directly in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. So let's jump into our lab for today.